Would you know how to photograph that tree behind me? If you lifted up your camera and framed up that tree, would you place the tree over on the right-hand side of your frame? Or smack dab in the middle? Or what about on the left side? How much sky would you include in your photo? A lot of sky or more foreground? And do you like this photo here? Or do you find this second photo to be even more powerful? My name is Tim Shields, and I'm a professional landscape photographer. And I recently won the award of International Nature Photographer of the Year with Master Photographers International. One thing I know with certainty is that there are no natural-born photographers, but photography is something that can be easily learned by anyone, and I have thousands of students to prove that point who are taking their own stunning landscape photographs. I'm holding a free web class, and I would like to show you the 3 secrets to beautiful landscape photos that you can easily learn yourself. All you need to do to join me on the web class is to click the link below and sign up, and I will see you inside my free web class. If you give me 40 minutes of your time, I will give you the 3 secrets that I use to take my own award-winning photos. So click the link right now, sign up, and I'll see you inside my free landscape photography web class.